Hello my friends, this is a new short video about Chroma software, and today I will show you some functions applied to serigraphic printing. First I'm gonna open my image and I will set the color of my fabric. I can do this inserting an RGB reference or selecting directly here on my image. I will define the mask as white, and in this case it is advisable to apply a smoky mask. And I continue selecting it. Knowing that my background will influence the result that I will have, I'm gonna separate this image into two colors, one black and one green. For that, I select clicking directly on the image. In the next step, Chroma will show me the result. As you can see, the gray channel appears influenced by the green chosen as background at the beginning. I check my channel, and if necessary I can intervene to clean. I evaluate the quality and finally generate the file in PSD to check it later in Photoshop. As you can see, Chroma's work ends here. Now I'm gonna open my file in Photoshop and my image will load the channels ready to generate a variant or to continue for printing it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next tutorial.